We're here at Piazza Navona.
We are at this restaurant, husband and Josh there. We're here at Ristorante Domiziano Vini. Here's the menu. Yeah. Antipasti. Litera. I think we're going to have the antipasti di mare. What are you having, Josh? Pizza? Did you find your pizza? Which one? Oh, you don't know yet.
They have Italian
Creamy
soda.
Italian. Zoppe. Primi di mare. Secondi di mare. Secondi di terra. Pizza. Contorni. Insalote. Dessert.
Grazie.
Oh, this is mine. Grazie.
Mommy, look at my
Gran
Peroni
Reserva.
Gran Reserva.
Eh. Josh is having lemonade. You like it?
Concentrated.
Concentrated. You can ask for ice. This is my limoncello.
Limoncello
Limoncello spritz. There you go.
Salute.
Josh, Italian pizza. And then this is the polpo. Hi,
So
Pangging.
good. Hello.
How's your beer?
Very good.
Yummy? Grazie. This is our view from here. This fountain in the middle is the fountain of the Four Rivers, or Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, which was designed by Bernini in 1651. Gorgeous fountain. Looking up close.
Olive oil and purple salad. Chugita.
Hi, Josh.
Hi George. Hi Danny.
There you go.
20% voltage.
But this is very
Oh my
good.
god, I was like,
Different
one.
from Peroni.
Rosa. It's
Yeah,
Peroni,
this
but
is
it's
different
Rosa.
than Peroni.
Reserva.
Yeah,
yeah,
see,
I
Gran
thought this one
Reserva.
was like more of like spritz.
This is espresso.
But it's really
Limoncello
strong.
with sparkling wine and sparkling water.
Oh,
And liquid wine making combination with sparkling wine and sparkling water. That's mean is espresso.
what?
Also, April espresso is less alcohol.
Peroni.
Pero,
Like in Austria.
yeah, pero.
We're here at Piazza Navona after having snacks at Ristorante Domiziano. Hi!
Now we're heading to Pantheon. We're here and then we're turning to this side. The end of the street is the Pantheon. And that's the Pantheon.
Maybe JD, we can sit there and rest.
Yeah.
Order drinks, no?
Yep.
Right?
Let's go to the middle. Guys, gelato from here. Gelateria. By the Pantheon. This gelato is quite expensive. It's 15 euros each.
But it's good.
It's so good. I'm having stracciatella. Husband is having, what are you having?
Millifolia or million leaves.
Going Trevi Fountain. Got the artichoke and the mushroom. The ducks are here. Yeah, kind of like in Barcelona. They have doggies too. They have more selections here actually. Look how huge. This is the dream duck. Josh got a duck. What did you get?
The duck that found Nirvana.
Coins for the fountain. There's another gelateria here. Gelateria Pasticceria Italiana. Gelato place. Luciano. And here the Trevi Fountain Jar. We're here at Cotton Candy. We came from the Pantheon. And the Trevi Fountain is right there. The Trevi Fountain. On the side. How crowded. It's not even summer. Look at the people. That's the fountain. Oh, is this Benetton? Benetton here. I really like this store, by the way. Which one? Josh? Children. Bambino. Wala kami dyan.
Parang ganda.
Yeah. Josh, Dad and I walked here before. I remember, and like, you know, it was a very long walk.
Victoria Emmanuel.
And then at the end. Look, Josh, that's the Victoria Emmanuel.
Place where was killed the Julio Caesar,
Where?
the 53 before Christ.
Oh, here? Oh, Josh, look at that.
The columns
Where
in
the
the middle,
columns
the
are.
highest column.
Oh. That is where they killed Julius Caesar. We're going to the fountain. Look at all these people. Fontana and Trevi. Hi, Josh. This is my third time here.
Perfect.
Like in Barcelona, where my phone was almost got snatched here too. When we were in line at the for this like Trevi fountain, I saw a hand on my purse, opening my purse. It's good that I caught her right away. We bought a luggage from Benito. Now we're walking back to our hotel. And we're back here at the market. Josh! Here, Josh!